Attending appointments isn't always easy. Whether your patients are snowed under at work or my little ones, or perhaps not quite as mobile as they used to be. Getting to an appointment can bring its own set of challenges. Delivering care can mean lots of time on the road, difficulties getting the right team together, or putting you and your patients at risk of infection. The NHS Wales Video Consulting service enables you to provide care to patients in their own home. Video consulting is simple and easy to access. Your local administrator will set you up with an account that will allow you to access your clinics. These appointments will be carried out much like they were there in person. To start the session, you'll need to log in to Attend Anywhere using Chrome, Safari or Edge. Ensure that you have a quiet private space, a separate webcam, microphone and speakers or headphones that will provide better quality video and sound. Patients will arrive into a waiting area, allowing you to join a call with the person you'd like to see. If you would like a third person to join, such as a patient's spouse or another member of staff, you can add them to the call. If you need to share an image or some information, you can open up a text chat box. Any issues with the quality of the call, simply press the refresh button. When you are finished, you have the option to put the patient in the waiting area or end the call for everyone. Video consulting won't be suitable for every appointment, but when it is, you'll get the same high standard of care while saving time, money, stress, and perhaps the earth just a little.